Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn any video file into an animated GIF on your Mac using EzGIF. No software installs required. Let's jump right in. First, open Safari, or your favorite browser, and navigate to ezgif.com/video to GIF. I'll leave the link in the description. Once the page loads, click Choose File and select the video you want to convert. EzGIF supports MP4, MOV, AVI, WebM, and more. Then click Upload Video to start the transfer. When the upload finishes, you'll see a preview of your video along with fields for start time, end time, frame rate, and width. Use the start-end fields to trim the exact segment you want. Pick a frame rate, 10 to 15 frames per second is a good balance of smoothness and file size, and set a maximum width if you need to resize. Once your settings are ready, click Convert to GIF. EzGIF will process your clip in just a few seconds. Feel free to grab a quick coffee while it works its magic. When the conversion completes, your new GIF will appear below. Preview it to make sure it plays smoothly. If you'd like, you can use the Optimize or Crop tabs to further tweak size and appearance. When you're happy, click Save or right-click the GIF and choose Save Image As to download it to your Downloads folder. And that's all there is to it. Fast, free, and entirely online. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more simple Mac tips, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.